Where else can we store potential energy? A spring is one place. Once again, I do work storing energy and we can recover it as, say, kinetic energy. How much energy is stored in a spring? Here's Hooke's law from last week. X is the extension, K is the spring constant. As I extend it, the spring force is in the negative X direction, but I pull with a positive force. Calculating the work I store is trickier this time because, unlike gravity, the force keeps changing. Here's force times distance when the force is small, but I do more work for the same distance when the spring is more stretched. So, for the total work done in extending it from 0 to x, I want lots of thin rectangles like that. And that gives me the area under this line. That area is easy enough to find. It's just half fx, which is half kx squared. The spring does work minus half kx squared. So that gives us the potential energy stored in a spring, half kx squared. And, as usual, we check the units. Substitute for k and for x. Yes, a Newton times a metre is a joule. There's much more we'll do with energy, but we already have enough to answer the questions coming up in the quiz.